Three new executive members of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa were welcomed this week. Bronwyn Koroheke, Leesah Murray and Hone Paul. Hone comes to the Wānanga from SBS Television Australia, where he was the brand manager for a channel with a monthly viewership in excess of 7 million. He brings more than 10 years marketing and advertising experience to the role of Executive Director Marketing, Tumu Kahuroa.
What attracted me to this brand in particular was the connection it has with te iwi Māori, and also the role it plays in Aotearoa around building opportunities for people. And I think there's very few opportunities that come up where one can develop and lead a brand that has a significant role to play like Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.
Hone brings some significant marketing skills that are unsurpassed within Te Ao Māori. He's worked for Māori television, SBS TV in Australia, and has been at the forefront of social media, online marketing and brand development. So we are getting a very strong tumu that has unique skills.
He was flanked by two other tumu members who were successful internal candidates from the Wānanga, Tumu Taumatua, Leesah Murray, and Tumu Tāhua, Bronwyn Koroheke.
The vision of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is one that is fundamental to the organisation. The new direction that we're moving in is definitely one that will make our organisation sustainable in this world. It will encourage Māori to develop, it will encourage others to come to our organisation and succeed through education.
It's about ensuring really strong financial controls, it's about increasing the expertise in all our teams, and about ensuring that we're mindful of our strategy, we're mindful of our stakeholders, and that we conform and that we comply with those aspects in terms of our funding. And so it's about being kihakaha in terms of that putia.
Te Tai Uringi, Jim Mather looks forward to the skills that Bronwyn and Leesah bring to their new roles.
Leesah has been with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa for 12 years now. She has significant experience in all aspects of the organisation and knows exactly how it runs from having worked her way through the ranks to this tumu role. Bronwyn is a very experienced financial accountant. She is a member of the New Zealand Institute of Chartered Accountants and also has many years of experience in organisations in both the private sector and the public sector.
Another 3 tumu will be welcomed next fortnight, with the remaining 2 members arriving in September.
What we are going to receive overall is not a team of individual stars, but one star team.
Te Anga Nathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.